In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Excel with percentages. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet and locating the data you want to turn into a pie chart. Make sure your table includes both the category names and the numbers that belong to each category, because Excel uses those labels to name each slice and those values to calculate the size of each section. Next, click and hold your mouse on the top left cell of your data range. Then drag your cursor down to the bottom right cell so your entire table is highlighted. This selection should include all of the categories and all of the values. Once everything is selected, release the mouse button. Taking a moment to confirm your full table is highlighted will help make sure the chart is created correctly. Now move to the top menu bar and click the Insert tab. In the ribbon, look for the Charts section, which is usually near the middle. This is where Excel keeps the tools for visualizing your data. Click the option labeled Insert Pie or Donut Chart. A menu will appear with several chart styles. From that menu, choose the 2D pie option. As soon as you click it, Excel will generate a pie chart based on the data you selected. You should now see the chart appear in your worksheet. Click anywhere inside the pie chart to make sure it is selected. This is important because Excel only shows certain chart tools when the chart itself is active. Once the chart is selected, go back to the top menu bar and click the Chart Design tab. If you do not see this tab right away, just click the chart again and it should appear. On the far left side of the Chart Design ribbon, click Quick Layout. This opens a set of preset chart arrangements that can quickly add useful elements to your chart, including labels and percentages. Move your cursor over the available layout options and look for Layout 1 or any layout that shows percentage symbols next to or inside the slices. When you find one that displays percentages, click it to apply that layout to your chart. Your pie chart will now show the percentages for each slice, making it much easier to understand how each category contributes to the whole. That covers everything you need to know.